Hello, I'm Sabrina Lambirth from Indianapolis, Indiana.
And I'm her husband, Charles Lambirth from Indianapolis, Indiana.
We decided to do our testimonial today to let you know it's all worth coming down to Atlanta with Asani and Danielle to get the help and get the tools that you really need to make it work and last. And was hesitant at first, but I'm glad that we made that decision to come this way. We got the tools that we needed. It was hard work,
Yes.
many hours,
Yes.
but we got the tools that we need to go forward when we return home. And it set some things straight for me to feel comfortable with understanding how to forgive my husband,
Yes.
as well as forgive myself and move forward in a true and genuine way in forgiveness. And knowing that it takes genuine forgiveness to move forward in our marriage to make it last. So I encourage you, if you are struggling to understand your personality, the when, the why, the how things have happened in your marriage, this is where you need to be.
Sonny and Danielle, very helpful. So like my wife said, if you need to help, the professional help, to come and visit them here in Atlanta, beautiful country. They will do you right, and your marriage will benefit from all the expertise that they have to get through the troubled times. And I know for me and Sabrina that we are on the right path now for success. Thank you.